From our family here at FMK Restaurants, we'd like to thank you for your continued support and let you know we are going to get through this together. These are some of the steps that we are taking to ensure the safety of our staff and our patrons. We're going to explain what we're doing and why, exactly how that translates to our customers, to show them that we take it very serious, their safety and sanitation, along with our employees, right?
First thing you do when you walk in, masks, wash your hands, put your gloves on.
It's up to us to set the bar high in this industry, as we've done with our service, our quality of food, but now we are also going to be the quintessential restaurant group when it comes to safety and sanitation, right? Even if they don't recognize it when they first come in, they will recognize it when they go to another restaurant.